The new sailpack is going on. We just finished wrestling the old one off. Even with the mainsail hoisted, it's a challenge. I have to keep it in the groove on the boom, or it won't stay on. Now it's on, but it's all on one side. I have to push the other side over to Stephanie so she can adjust it. Stephanie is from Evolution Sails. She knows exactly how to install it. Getting the reefing lines on correctly was a challenge. It was also 97 degrees with 85% humidity. But we kept going because we only had one day to test it out before the hurricane hit. When it's that hot, it's hard to think straight, but Stephanie was super patient with me. We decided to replace the jacklines, so I went up the mast for the first time. I don't like heights. When I lived in a skyscraper, I didn't go out on the balcony for 4 months. But that was the old me. Now I say yes to challenges. I was okay as long as I didn't look down, but I should have because I almost dropped the old jacklines on Stephanie's head. And then I did look down and I got a little dizzy. So I wrapped my legs around the mast and I got it done. Not gonna lie, it was exhilarating to be successful with that. Then we put the front wrap on to protect the lines in the front of the mainsail. It's looking so good. The fine-tuning will happen when the sail is up. We tightened the jacklines so they wouldn't tangle in the mainsail. By this time we were really tired, but we wanted to get it done. I tied every knot wrong at least once. Okay, let's go sail.